Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and Shabbat Shalom. Happy Tu Bishvat Shabbat. What is Tu Bishvat Shabbat? Well, the Jewish holiday of Tu Bishvat is coming up on Sunday night. I think that will be the night that you guys are watching this. And today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. So tomorrow's Friday, Shabbat, and Sunday is Tu Bishvat. So we're making this Tu Bishvat Shabbat. So basically, Tu Bishvat is a Jewish holiday that celebrates the birthday of the trees. I believe I have a whole video all about explaining what Tu Bishvat is, so I will link it below. But just to do a little quick recap, basically there are a few New Years throughout the Jewish year, and one of them is the New Year of the trees, or the birthday of the trees. And in biblical times, this was very necessary and helpful for farmers because there were certain rules about what you could do with trees depending on how old they were, and there were tithes that had to be given and years that the trees rested. So there are all these regulations about trees, so they decided there would just be one birthday for all the trees to help the farmers calculate the math of that. So in modern times and in Kabbalistic and spiritual Judaism, there's a lot of celebration of newness and fruits and bringing the nature into our lives and how spiritual and wonderful that is. And it's just a day today in modern times to remember how connected we are with the land and how much it sustains us and how important it is for us to sustain our world that we live in and to take care of it. So it's kind of like a Jewish Arbor Day, and children will go out and plant trees, and it's very common to eat a new fruit. So it's one of actually my favorite holidays. I know I say that with everyone, but I do really love Tu Bishvat. So tonight or tomorrow night for Shabbat, we're gonna have a little combination Tu Bishvat Shabbat. So I bought all kinds of fresh fruit and dried fruit for the kids to eat and for us to eat, and I already have their Tu Bishvat shelfie set up. Let me just show you guys that right now. So basically for every Jewish holiday, I like to have a little bookshelf of toys and books themed around the holiday for them to just play with. So this is ours this year, and I always say that most of these books are from PJ Library, who will send you books for free each month if you're raising a Jewish child. We just got a new one in the mail today actually, which I'll show you. My kitchen is a disaster right now. I need to clean it. This is the one we just got. Trees make perfect pets. And flowers from last week, those gotta go. New flowers for this week. So we are rocking and rolling. I also have a new tablecloth to use because I found one with florals on it for Tu Bishvat. So I'm gonna start in here, get the table ready, get the flowers out, get the fruit out. Happy Tu Bishvat Shabbat. So the first thing I like to do is just get the table ready. It really makes me feel like I've accomplished something big, even if it's actually small. But once the table's set, then I feel like everything else can be done last minute if it has to be. So I feel good once I do this part, and it's pretty and it makes the house look nice. So I just took out my tablecloth. I usually just have the table plain white if you guys have watched my videos before. But for something special like Tu Bishvat or an upcoming bigger holiday, I try to just change it up a little bit. I just found this cloth on Amazon. I'll link it for you guys. And then just our white dishes, and of course the beautiful flowers make it so pretty for Tu Bishvat. So just getting everything on the table and ready to go. Good morning. It is Friday morning and we just got back from preschool drop-off. Yeah, are you tired? Did your big brothers wake you up? They kind of woke him up when they were getting out of the car. Normally has a little bit of a longer nap in the morning. Anyways, so it's Friday morning. The kitchen is thankfully clean because my husband cleaned it this morning. I did a little bit last night, but he did the bulk of it this morning. So we're starting off with a pretty clean slate over here. I just need to put away all those dishes, and then they're all clean. And then this is everything for the Tu Bishvat fruit platter. So I'm going to try and put out all that dried fruit right now and make it look nice for the Shabbat table. And then I'll cut up the fresh fruit as well. Oh, I don't think I showed this to you guys yet. So at the grocery store this week, I picked up a bunch of crazy fruit that I don't think my kids have seen before, like some exotic stuff. Papaya, light. This one might be a little bit old. Star fruit, I think this one is. Anyway, so part of the Tu Bishvat celebration is tasting new fruits and first fruits of the season. So I thought it'd be fun with the boys to try some new fruit for dessert, and also I still have some traditional fruit just in case they don't want to try those. I got this crazy melon. I don't even know what this is. And these ones. But yeah, I think they'll really get a kick out of that. So I'm going to put those out as well, and then we'll kind of cut them and open them during our Shabbat dinner. I kind of feel like just taking a nap right now, though. How about you? How about you? So all I did for this Tu Bishvat platter is go to the grocery store and find whatever dried fruit that they had. And I looked for just different colors and different textures just to have fun with the kids and introduce them to different tastes and things like that. So some of the things I would never have bought before, like dried pineapple, is way too sweet for me. And then some stuff I absolutely love, like the dried mango. But I just really wanted an assortment, different colors, and just to make it look beautiful on the tray. I'm gonna make meatballs for dinner, but I think I might do them like in a sweet savory kind of sauce with egg noodles. Just an idea. If I shy away from that, then I'll just do like regular marinara sauce and regular pasta. What do you think? You're tired. You're tired. You got interrupted from your nap. So that is the dinner plan. And then so I just wanted to share with you guys something else we do special on Shabbat. Last week I talked about how we sometimes go get donuts after school or like a special sweet treat. Tonight the boys are going to have a sleepover in my older boy's room. So not this one. So just like special little things like that we'll kind of just save for Shabbat. So like we could do it on Sunday, but instead we make it special for Shabbat and do it Friday night, if that makes sense. So we'll see how their little sleepover goes. I'll show you guys how they've kind of set it up. So this is my son Max's room. There's his car bed, which he's definitely too big for these days. And we brought Corey's mattress in here. Excuse the amount of cars on the floor. So this is for their little sleepover later. So we haven't totally like set them up just yet, but I hope when my kids are all grown up, they'll remember these Shabbat nights having a sleepover together. I just think it's so cute. So thankfully, like I mentioned, my husband did a lot of the dishes in the morning, and now I just have to put them all away. And I don't know about you guys, but I try to be methodical about this kind of thing, like as I'm cleaning up. So like everything that goes in one area of the house, I try to take at the same time. Like I just put all those mugs across the island because the mugs go with our coffee maker on the other side of the kitchen. But somehow I always feel like I'm just scrambling and running in circles. But it's actually funny to watch this speed tidy up back, because I'm like, am I actually going in circles, or is there some method to the madness? But let me know if you guys do the same thing where you like try to make it as efficient as possible, but somehow I just don't know. But thankfully it got done in the end. It really didn't take too long. It wasn't too bad. And now I just love when the kitchen's absolutely totally clean, so that when I cook for Shabbat, it actually ends up just being a really small mess, and it's not too much to tidy up. The house isn't like crazy when Shabbat comes in, and that's really what I'm going for, is just a feeling of calm and clean and restfulness and all that to bring in the Shabbat. So I find doing like a big cleanup before I actually start the cooking really helps. And this is my clean kitchen. I'm so thankful. Anytime it's clean, it just brings joy to my heart, and I am so thankful for it. So here is the dining room table all set up. We have our bowl of fresh new fruit, which I'm very excited about. Our new PJ Library book to read. And here is our little display of dried fruit. I had, what's this, pineapple, mango, cherries, apples, dates, and prunes back there. And then this is the table all set up. Candlesticks, wine, challah under there. And then the gorgeous flowers. I mean, just look at them. So for the meatballs, it really is the easiest recipe, and you can totally change it up based on your flavor profile and what you prefer. So I put in teriyaki sauce, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. I've seen this recipe made with brown sugar before and like little variations, but basically you want sweet and savory, and then all you do is heat it up in the pan. That's it. And then I just cooked some laksha noodles or egg noodles to have with it and some green veggies, and that's it. That was our Shabbat dinner. It was actually so good. I really recommend the egg noodles with the meatballs. And the boys just loved trying out the new fruit and guessing what it would look like inside. And then after dinner, while me and my husband just kind of hung out at the table and chatted, they played around with the Tu Bishvat shelfie, so that was really nice because it gave us a chance on Fridays to just sit and talk and enjoy dinner and let them kind of play around us. So I'm wishing you guys a Shabbat Shalom and a happy Tu Bishvat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!